Okay, you promised that my mind would be
I'm telling you, Lena, I'm so excited about this.
Okay.
All right. I was digging into satellite today and found some cool things.
Yeah.
We also have snow to talk about tomorrow, too, so I don't want to overshadow that. Quiet Saturday night, you know that. Here's what we have, though, all right? We throw on the GO-16 satellite. That's our high-res satellite. Let's zoom back in and take a look here. Look at these little holes in the clouds. You see those, Lena? You see that? It's just kind of like a little smokestack flowing around. You know what that is?
Industrial enhanced clearing.
Is that not crazy? All right, I'm going to get out of the way and explain this. So the steam from factories, all right, we've got them near the Valley View area, also over in Lorain County. The steam in certain setups, all right, rises into the air, and it actually serves as condensation nuclei with supercooled water droplets. This is water cooler talk, I'm telling you. Bottom line, that steam forms enough weight in the clouds and condensation nuclei to create snow. So you get snow just because you have factories, and as that snow falls, it creates a little clearing spot in the clouds. So that's what we're seeing today. We had some snow near Parma areas down to the south earlier today, and as that snow falls, you see these little breaks in the clouds. So Brunswick, Parma, you had some sunshine today. You were the only ones, and that's only because of the factories that you have close by. Does that not blow your mind?
That's cool.
I know.
I'm geeking out over that.
Science is fun. I always say that. I say that to my wife. She falls asleep. Okay, Sunday snow on the way. Let's talk about this. Here it comes. We already talked about exactly how much we're expecting on the model, so we'll break that down for you. I want to get this message across. So a lot of people ask, when's the timing? Where's the snow in the morning? We're snow-free until midday tomorrow, right? So we may have a little bit of clearing tonight. I doubt that. Our model thinks we do. But notice what happens midday as you're maybe on your way home from church services or you're heading out to the grocery store. You're fine, but then we start to talk snow from lunchtime onward. Is it going to be that impactful? Well, much like last Sunday, it's all about timing in this and how quickly that snow falls. So we'll show you hour by hour. May have some sun peaks if you're up early enough tomorrow. We'll be cold. We'll be in the upper teens to near 20 degrees. 1 o'clock, here you go. Snow starting to show up on radar. Look at temperatures, though. This is different from last Sunday in that we're going to be at or above freezing for most places. So that snow, given the daytime heating, despite the clouds, I think a lot of it melts on contact. So that's some good news to keeping our roads clean. We get a little push of warm air. We've been trying to decide where that line's going to be between the rain, maybe a little bit of wintry mix in between and the snow. I think Cleveland, Sandusky, over towards Ashtabula, you're all snow, no doubt. Akron, you're going to be kind of that borderline with this, and we're all rain down to the south by afternoon tomorrow. But that's the time frame to watch from about 3 to 8 p.m. for perhaps some heavier snowfall rates. And as we lose that daytime heating with the sun going down, this may start to accumulate. So we may have some travel problems tomorrow evening. I think afternoon we're okay. Down to the south, though, it's just flat out rain for you down in Canton over towards Tuscarawas County, over towards Worcester as well. So I don't anticipate any issues there. I don't think icing is going to be a big issue either. And look how the warm air kind of comes into the system by 8. Most of the snow off to the north, things winding down. May see some freezing drizzle. This is just kind of my analysis of it on the backside of this overnight. I don't think it'll be too impactful. It's something we need to keep an eye on. Again, Michael Estimate's here tomorrow morning. I'll be here tracking this as well. But then it's out of here, and we've got a gray, kind of cloudy day on Monday. So how much snow do you think is going to fall? I'm thinking 1 to 3 for our northern counties. Don't just focus on the 3. We may end up with 1 or 2. 1 to 2 down from Minerva over towards Canton, back towards Worcester and the Mansfield area, and less than an inch for you down in Dover and New Philly. Let's talk pattern change real quick. Here is the jet stream that is carrying this system from the west coast to the east. Watch what happens next week. It goes way down out west. That's bringing just record snow, lots of action out west, but it brings storm tracks right up through the Ohio Valley. That's where they've been. And this is our jet stream howling through the area. So what's that mean next week? A couple more big storm systems possible. In fact, we say goodbye to number 1. Number 2 comes in here with some rain, snow, and wind on Tuesday and Wednesday. And then maybe next weekend, we're dealing with another windy system with some rain. And as of right now, that looks like a thunderstorm chance, but remains to be seen. Universal Windows Direct 7-day forecast. There's our snow Sunday, Monday. Next system brings snow to mainly rain on Wednesday, and then maybe a big warm up next weekend. We'll keep an eye on that system. We'll be back with sports after the break.